Mwakwa babiem na efa emra bedwam dwumadie so. Ebra say ye need the Akili Bobo family ebetwe enkomo. Mama Dollars and Akili Bobo. And I'm like, mo worry na mo to mo who nicknames and I say Akili Bobo there.
Na me Adom Boko.
Afisha panso.
Afin komati.
Mama Dollars.
Hello.
Pamo here ferry.
Oh.
Afisha panso.
Afin komati.
Ya mwakwa abatu Ghana.
That's
Story no wa.
Sir.
Ewo.
Then you trust it's about 5 years.
So amafo a name Akili Bobo name say oko prempe. Name say obi a obo table tennis. Enti kenen ke ka Akili Bobo na nka ye ka say Ghana be ko Olympics. Ni akobo table tennis. Ebi hu Akili Bobo because ubo bi wo prempe. Eba ne say na amane abedru say.
Yeah, table tennis. I know they me started say me born me so.
Okay.
Na me uncles be na o wani je ho to moto table tennis board ni bi si ifie. Nti no bia ono ho bia no. Isua.
Okay.
I say yeah, obia na dwen any say osi hu ne ma. I say osi sua ne ma. They say miti na me no me call ni mu kakra. Nti no I say na me very good.
Okay.
Esin obia. It's just talent. Let me put it that way.
Edi Akili Bobo free infa.
Baby, I can't have force it. Actually, what happened is yeah, what near to Kumasi compound house. Yeah, you come stadium around stadium area.
Say Asantini pa.
Oh, pure.
Okay.
Yeah. Na guys BT fear no omopen koko pa anti. There was this about 3 or 4. Not only very, very feisty, very bad. And my brother, my older brother, or California, as you say.
Okay.
And I started to Otutu Mudi.
Otutu
It just came out.
Oh,
Say,
okay.
Names, as they be Akili.
Yeah.
This. Now, but we were not Akili, and I don't to Akili. No, I said, near thing. No, yet. Let me put it that way. And here I'm say that time meaning so not many a day kakra. And I come back say okay, sa akoko yi. E dey never to Akili because it's here no. If akoko e dey ma me. E dey to akoko na dey ma me. My brother, my older brother. That's how it came about.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Mama Dollars.
yeah.
Odi ankasa dey say.
Your friend me Delali Ejekum.
Okay.
But na midia ye do mi akasa ye Delali Olivia Badu, but me worry ye no.
Okay.
And na me ye Delali Ejekum.
Na say edian wo dey say nya Ghana edian.
Ye Ghana di.
Ghana din.
Ghana di.
Anya jikum na make o.
But Agbedi.
Agbedi. Oh, okay. That's why Ghana ni.
Me ye Ghana ni.
Okay. Ushi Akili Bobo because one ko prempe mema nkwa neko.
I know. Ye share California.
Oh, okay.
Now we used to live in California until hona Michiano. Shiano was sorry them.
hey, then I'm a pastor parent.
Akili Bobo ni nyina chi.
Still have a pastor. How do you could share?
So, what share brother say?
And then I'm say I say I can't brand to say she share an idea. It's been a very tough journey for both of us. Yeah, because you share and we were both young.
Okay.
Yeah. And or buy and I said share the following year and I mean to say I mean child you say fortunately or unfortunately and I go for a fool.
Okay.
Yes.
Okwa so ni nyina echi mo share no
say na ye bom pae
say no na make
pae na ye bona nyakopon share ye dem nyama na say mebo. Now back to what I was saying now. ya fam bebre say adumre bi na say dey be di kura na edin
Akili Bobo.
oh yeah, I was very tough. So you have to start from somewhere and you say sebi o tena ma na atu so kika ne ma bom mu start engine ye ne ma bebrebe nti enfitare na edin pa especially the first one about you know what we used to do say you be di crampona say mami and echo because at that time na me mention that near Juma papa bia okay yes because I was going to school on na eboa take kakran
that time ma worry
me and worry
okay
yeah after then I say makohu abusuafo I say makobo kokko
okay
yes
okay
yes. Me and worry through hard work and dedication need to do some pempen so because me canning in step by step I bet check but then through hard work and I will do some pempen so
say be call any but mama dollars I'm for so feel ko na nke mu ye kakra tere na ade sa abrabo ma homa se ko so wo kon obi a wachi at least enye gidigidi kura wachi ye baabi a common no
and then kremachi de na eye but ukodu abuchira eye different ball game ho no me fa me into me papa so ana say me mama so ana so bi abrabo na no ane wa until we decided to do it on our own until no through ejuma wa ni mabuchire asem ejuma we kona we ba think akanka krasa na ye dididi mwa but ni nyemu ya mpaba sometimes no papa de enya wodia and I say o mama sika enya wodia and from ho so enti hoda nti abrabo ne dia wan kasa wabo yes
how was it like coping with when man say wonye adwuma papa bia modidie mpokura den wa na also sa cost driving oba anye say bia wa be your official wa your ho ade kura wo fie how was it like coping with
na enya easy because me nim say na oko school no wi a bibi papa bi be fi mu aba
ohun sa future
oh yes me hu ye na ono so you be he's very determined he's a man of vision okaso be ye bibia obeye ntina I had that hope say wo de me double ne sa me kutumi ko dem 24 hours me bo adwuma sa say me na me 2 jobs e bo ha 3 nti me kwa ha na mabaha ti me fa me duane nyina for the day na me di mitiashim yes
there's a uyo bibia o adwuma hey
enye easy ti adwuma de ma bobi pomo mu nim say adwuma de me bo adwuma papa
da be no adwuma wura ho ye
me rehoye whereby obi ba me nchen na o ye say nti mitumi eye aduane ma mema na what happen is say me uniform sana me hye no ti me koto uniform ya na me pentem ti ti say metal brown kwa 3 ana say metal blue kwa 4 na o hwem no ka chem say de bia wa hye uniform ba ko sa ya me bro foforo wai ti say me rehoye bia me wearing the same uniform doesn't mean say na mean to me afford it but asema ye be ka kire no ase enye but anyway that is life
Akili Bobo wo hwe ase da ben wo sore da ben
me hwe ase da men sorry so
wo sore o ko nto fom kura
me nyan to fom me nto fom se enhwe ase ewo Kristo mu asa abrabo mu I should have okay. Okay, bravo, voilà, so okay. And she said, I'm a Mashiach.
Okay.
Mashiach so many times. and I'm sorry so many times.
Okay.
Because most of the time na abrabody eh dey an obeshiase.
Yeah.
No matter what, no matter who you are, it depends on how you look at it. I mean no, me share say for me say eh den ya e be. We have that kind of mentality say say krana eh den e be. And I say me I say me early growing up, my early years, okay, let me just go to California. My early years, and then I'm say me that form.
Okay.
I'm in that form, but now me Sasha so in a sense say me ko and I say me bring me journey mako yiwi. Na that be and impunto and nkoso be ba ya brabo. Yes.
Now yes, that determined because of say what you be ba abeka ho. And you wanted to prove a point. And now already who bed means you will feel say what to coin or so be sort is our bedding.
I can say a little bit of each, but ninyana no me.
Okay.
I decided say, idea you can't give what you don't have.
Sure.
Idea won't me ma. Into no me yere me ho aye adwuma. Na and I said me yere me ho aye bibi na ede emfaso abre me yere na bi ebi nso abre me busuafo. Okay. Most of the time say me idea me na me ya ma me ho. Because I say me dear. I have to have it before I can give it out. Oh, them is yes.
Okay. Mama Dollars, so at the time wa nane momo eye de no aside nani so ade hunu a ohu ye into face o be ma me ne ti o vision me di na chi a ebefa enim say na wo yi ma 10 na onya mu 6 obetimi anya saa akodo se betimi I stay along with it. Uno bushia for discuss say the challenge bear man and one go through. You two for still tna baby I wanna.
Honestly, challenges I need me go through no. Na me family now munim. Ma susu so antre me family said this is what we are going through. Because me say we could pull it out. You be to me aye. Without anybody's support, but sometimes edu baby I na day. Until you need somebody to talk to her, and I said baby na at that time no Akili brother and I said only dinechi na ye to me friend no say bia ye ho akire na me bra panyi bia ye ho kire ya those are the two na me many omukasa but family na kasa die ebusia nobody really knew.
I reckon say from the richest Ghanaian Mogu say
I don't know about that.
Ghanaian billionaire family in Ohio. Matters has
a description it's a bit but in mono
okay.
Yes, in it's no ukura bit ma describe here however you want it. But in a mono better than me as I said or the ever do some papers.
I will try what to say.
Daddy
person be a bum. Akili Bobo.
Oh, me
Akili Bobo. Person be a bum. After boys be continue.
Idea me tia make us say me cry me watch me on an air bomb no send air dear. Now she usher me send America. I said Kakunu.
Oh sir.
Eddie. But I said well, you know, a brew moja you know, say, there is always here, there is always light at the end of the tunnel. Now, the tunnel, the question is rose higher day. What?
Yeah.
But, you know, as long as you believe in yourself, as long as you work hard, as long as I believe in time, I believe in destiny, I believe in hard work. Okay. Because you know, we are destined, with time, we are destined to be whoever we want to be. If we put in the work on them say into the neighborhood my embubu my bem I say embubu ya bem and I'm here to be baby and be free.
Okay.
Or say go through maybe go through maybe my kind of toughens you up.
Yeah.
And so boy. So boy.
Just a few boys be continue encourage a few boys.
Encourage say emuye omumra opportunities to abrochire enuma wo ho ye nkrofo mo
there's no doubt about it. Of course. And then I'm going say ebi anka akonya na wa say ebi a me wo kwan a anka memo bi aba anka bi a beba say be ya ubo hu say sitie ene ufam kakra na se obetimi a se no watana ontimi a ase bi koba da bia o
yeah
bi koba
but ko ya hu system no was there a point to be a push you say eh chale we de manum hu man tana me amakom sabre nka boys ne kura jikakra bi ama agri nka me kakra
ya
bi
ba de mo o de me shero but to be honest with you me dey be me can say me nya kwan ya me ko no and I made up my mind say I'm not coming back not right now
okay
ono de oba ya ne say ne fie ye dada ba mama ba also the following year me ko and I'm saying okay
that's all the passport too baby
I made up my mind say I'm not coming back right I mean within 2-3 years or 5 years cry
like MPK yeah
enyam pk ya me so pick me pk wa
okay
what you say that was my mindset
yeah
but and also so boa me because e be one man akwese ko no jan kwantia
yeah
akwese I say oh me did 6 months 1 year and on to me ma wonya ai a dream be say okay you know ma me nyere me ho nya adwuma mbo na say me nya bibi
yeah
all the time be I say oh meko eno your papa me
okay
yeah but me yama dwen say me nya nko sisi
what ba so baby stay
yes
who US time be
1990
aye then do ko obi na be fa wo wa na ato ne suit him say there be you say America bu oba bi mama ko say na honum so tie ana na akwa kwahwe World Trade Center na wasaba
and also come but it's so funny say
okay
time ye wo Ghana you feel na ne come so unim come so yeah na my friends PFA home it because Germany a whole lot like European countries
and say ka no maybe
yes me ko amene ko boss wa na why menya admission pa me kwa na decline me refuse me and that's I was just me dream was why me because my best friend I don't know so what that to so I don't know 100 meters
okay
my best friend pa you know the same school Saarbrücken Germany
okay
ono a visa de man me and farmer to now refor ba and you know when the America crowd here me uncle back or hona eja okay kan e mabo man or be farmer Dr. Akosua Japan na me to nkwem and you know uncle abo bi ache marry
you do try how many times now for
or you was there just one time
oh okay
sometimes I say
yeah
I believe in time I believe in destiny and I believe in putting in the hard work
okay
and when it was time no yakopon na share ho no munya me ko ha yan film in America just one time per day and I menya
okay
yes
hey we dey jam here chirabu dinaka wo da cafe ba ko pe wo say ba
so saba
hey ekuru ne munya muda na asa de ekuru munya do
said that time them say fie
yeah until now say me call for school
okay
tinaka me call mu break here na maba down that was the initial school na me call yeah
okay so enti odru US ye obi aba be ko school entunya ko school no
sem
Menya me
utwa so ma
menye mo no
to utwa so ma no
mentwa so ama no menye mo no ntino
okay
but you know God being so good I'm going to say I believe in say especially US mom so kona say o adwen kakra bi I will betima ko school very very important so be ko school
okay
because one ko school na I say adwuma obeye you know I mean skania na shada ndo so bia
like unko school no emmeye part of the system yeah usika no sha
exactly ebo hanma obenya adwuma mafan say skana e was stroke kakra na so rabo ne faka ese de ordinary de beji
energy
obeye adwuma ne papa sana wonya sa you know wonya sa skana but na me chare ono ye wo ye ma wie ya ana ono so oko school no
wow
was it I was after Brenda no after Thelma
After Thelma, no Thelma.
And on the first degree.
More focus near serious. So be a wobber school. Yeah, Akili Bobo area so America. Yeah, still no say na de kwanyim obi ba no sika wo ne fie. After one say man ko school no. Am wawie. Patricia video yemra is here.
My sisters and I are trying to figure out these royal rules. There's something I want to show y'all.
Okay.
You guys know our sisterhood is so deep. What is that?
It's a tattoo.
Ah!
Are you in a cult or something?
This crazy crew, my mom, my dad, my sisters, and me, are African royals. 25 years ago, my parents left the warrior country, aka Ghana, to a land of cornfields and cows. Ohio. They brought with them rules on how we're supposed to behave as descendants of royalty.
I do not expect you to be doing shots.
Okay, we were socially drinking.
Get some juice. Case closed.
Okay, my parents' dreams for us sometimes clash with our dreams for ourselves.
My dad keeps pressuring me to focus on only real estate, but fitness is #1 for me.
This fitness thing.
It's paying my bills.
What bills are you talking about? You don't pay rent?
Okay.
For my parents, so much is tied to young women our age finding a husband.
When your husband is a good man, you wash his hand, you give him a bib.
I'm not giving my husband a bib. Are you a baby? But one scandal has the power to shatter your royal reputation.
You're the descendants of a world-class liar.
The high road ain't looking so great. I want to take a gap here.
No. We don't do no gap here. You will go to Ghana for 1 year.
We love Ghana, but we don't want to be sent there as a punishment.
My girls need to reconnect with their roots and get their behavior together.
We're just trying to figure out life, love, and all these royal rules. But we cannot risk ruining the family name.
This tattoo, we need to talk about removing it.
It's permanent.
Nothing is permanent except the word of God and jeans.
Jeans?
Jeans never goes out of style.
So the royal rules. As you might say.
3 girls.
3 girls. Oh wow. Says I'm more hair boy no.
Oh. Yeah, dude. They're ready. Is it over the bank? Over the bank.
That can you
Over the bank.
So, actually, Ube Tufu said, Obi Mwab was Kano Fentu Kwai on the name of seeking for greener pastures.
Self foot will remain to self foot. If you say, Obo was Kano, and I said, what's immediate Tanaha. Eye bibia before say ebeboa, but then again so I kwanto na wakoma so na because say obia ne ade a opani ade opeso oye so akwanto na wakoma so na opeso otu kwan a me for say okay so obetu kwan but me ba ha ye ba first na I say ye nshada ntam ha na say every year be I try say ba ntimi ye nshada ndim system in papa Meka Ghana.
Yeah.
But ye ba ha no. Ye hu se aha no se otena na se wo sika kakra de ye adwuma kakra. System e ye kama. Obetima a succeed. Enti no menka se wonya sika pudue bi fatu kwan. Se sika no dose one obetim de bibi kakra wa ha no succeed. But so person tu kwan so de na ye wa lie. America is a very nice place, very good country. But then again, almost so omodie. What I say, bibia mo your advantages and disadvantages. In the moment de men ka chenchena to kwan. Me advise youth no who ska fatna hafa ye adwuma.
Truly yeah hwe ye HSA mama dollars. Sika de mo pale bi egu ho.
Hey.
Mo anya mu bia nso Ghana. Mo nya no America. So the land is good.
Oh, America, the Nyamisha, America, India, Mankana, the land is blessed. It's blessed.
Now let's get to how did you get here?
How did we get here?
Yes.
in terms of Ejuma.
Akili Bobo family now, and then we don't recall your past, but what we see, the glorious gold color around you.
Well, Niniani say it started from, apart from having the show, no, you'll be your boy home in terms of Ejuma.
Okay.
You see me like this, say be my makeup, your social media weekends, but Monday through Friday, me Ejuma pa. Anybody who knows say Ejuma. And when it comes to say if I have to be on the field, I go on the field. When we say as a boss, if you want your business to be successful, you have to treat your employees really well, really good, because
I'm bloggers and befa ahanum ti ahanum osa repeat you
yeah. As a boss,
okay.
If you want your business, yes, if you want your business to succeed,
okay,
you have to treat your employees number one, just like your customers.
Yes.
And they're paramount.
Treat your more as a customer,
yes. Okay. I respect them the same as my customers. Because if there is no employees, there is no business, no matter what it is. Into me, my employees, my be successful, employees they hold me down. To me, they run the business. And I don't have to worry about it. It's my success of I thank my employees for that.
Is it because of the environment now? Because if you be a business, we have more employees, some business nego. If you have a book, so didn't see one for crown or treasure, be one tiny baby, number so 1 year in fast windy.
Me who say a Juma Biano Obia different. Bosses need be a they are not nice.
Okay.
And it's a fact. There are some, they are really nice. Now, maybe start me online, successful business men, women, and I read a lot about them.
Yeah.
A lot of them are very giving. Say the employees they say that was the route and step we wanted to take. We had like an open policy. We employer, you could come talk to me. Dear how, dear yeah, whatever. If we have the ability and support to help her, we do that.
Yeah, we create like a family environment. And say American woman. We always create like a family environment.
Okay.
Because we be anyway say we for some
yeah.
And your name will relate in the way say we set boundaries.
Okay.
Yes. But the Mama D, they make sure say, family.
Okay.
Yeah. If you come to our offices, wherever you go, they will tell you, say, I'm not going to toot my horn, but it's like, we are very nice people. Yeah. Very receptive. We do everything for our employees.
But in what is happening with they say, na turning point, be as a na turning point, be what baby, and when I 10 years na a farmer. Where was your turning point?
My turning point.
Yeah.
Is when I met this lady. I'm serious. I was. Because say me growing up na anya papa biasa.
Yeah.
Both.
I'm a comboy dear.
Both, yeah. Both financially and mentally. Because na my journey papa. I say my bottom, but na men shada.
Behind every successful man, there is a woman beside and behind in front of you.
I saying, my rephrasing. It doesn't give them justice, especially a good woman.
Yeah.
It doesn't. See, behind every successful man, there is a woman. No. She's beneath me for foundation.
Yeah.
She's beside me for companion. She's here for support. And she's here for protection. It's like a whole lot.
Okay.
I just hear. Maybe I make her say no one can avoid be marry. Because she came to our life, she came to my life and just right every wrong. Or money better. It's like right now, no, my my life is configured, is structured in a way, say on camera how I mean to me function. I'm serious. Mean to me and vice versa. On camera how I mean to me function. And my turning point, I'm a brabum, and it's a Michiano.
Okay.
The Akili na emphasis.
When him say Santini me ma de wate. E kuruma menim nipa wonya sika yemfa bibi ntage no. Onya krofo a no e cocaine.
Cocaine.
Oh, medili bia.
Gram said that ko. So coming from that background, any baby nyame apegya do wordre, how are you able to connect it to be able to deal with a man for even with this mindset what ni petim se nipa kra me na edi nkomo kra no e was adwen po kra e wo me ho.
One thing that me hu abrabo mu say yes say unim baby a wo kwa unyina kwan ho emise bisa say umama me directions and I say anything.
Okay.
Trust me, a whole lot of people. I started here, I check. Because I say, yeah, wedding. That was my main friend starting free hand. Me share the first. Me kwa kwa ne ho ade no.
Yeah.
Actually, me kwa ware no. Me call a court. Na me kwa na me ni rank. Me aunt be rank and me gie.
Yeah.
And I'm the year no ho ade. Me ba ese ba be ne ho ade wa ha no. Eyi na me toy. Ring am toy na say $8.99. $8.99.
Ring out of my.
And I'm the ring am toy me the be ne ho ade wa ha no.
No Ghana. $8.
$8.99.
Name more than.
Na mo nya de bia that na me school. Aha, but na mo shara nya de bia na ya we ma tu. Na mo nya de bia. But me person me come and see asem so say,
yeah.
You have to start from somewhere. You need to start from somewhere.
But some young mon can ukre ni nyina nkyere ye. So some say na mo kan mo ma be dey say
nyame na say bibie
emre so ya.
Okay.
Me yes ya plan ya brabo no.
Okay.
bibie ya
emre so ya say me no wedding no. Yeah, wedding 2011.
Okay.
I mean, everybody heard about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was all over. And I believe in time. It was all over. I did the wedding assembly shame. And it's a question I'll be saying anytime the wedding assembly shame. Yeah, wedding the following day. And so many calls. Nobody said, oh, you see, FBI forfeit. She say, yeah. I'm the FBI forfeit. She had my bedroom meko. So you see a wedding am we and you see a fraud money. And I'm saying FBI for munya ma han to mba ba mo ho amon kan to me say me twen wo mo. Me come and say anybody how we den ya whatever you do
papa kan ho say
papa kan ono ya na ono no de no and I say ye share for na me ya cause na ha no cause o ya dada ba ono ne words no omo kwa na wo me no me need pa be 1000 and it what you say enti me no I don't know I say me dia brim dada me my dwamfunu and it say no me dey say I say what toughen the skin yeah they say no nyina no hey ebegu omu hey dey obeka bia na mfa ye ho saa.
Is it because the war room no wo fio no na support man
me momu die me foundation here ready.
Okay.
I don't play with my prayer room. No believe you're different.
Okay.
Prayer room one day, me man kwa na ko ho no nko ho. But me feel say your foundation so is based on nyame asem. And this is where hold me down pa. Me fa me pa ebo ni agro. Anope wi anajo. Me bom pa ya na ne bu afu say me bom pa ya dodo.
Me bu fu mpacho. Ma clarify.
Obu fu say me bom pa ya dodo.
Esa e be tag me say me antichrist. Me pacho. Mr. Enya ne sa. Say unum say they be obom pa, which is very good.
Okay.
Me abraba me boy me say nipa no de o ya be ya ma obi an.
Okay.
So yeah, I support you. Enti no busara me ha no. But adia anukwa na me ni didi agro. Da bia obom pa, which is okay. Now one time obom pa na say already ene Tuesday Wednesday I'm say hey patron jai mem morning na at once I dey be obon pa yen na o ene na obon because e see e ko baby na say o che
okay
and I'm so dey be obon pa yen me so o dey twa so na Tuesday Wednesday Thursday fa wani
that so one of the true love they said that Obama Akoka said I say you have a different plan for them. They also have their own plan in life. How are you able to marry the two?
Omo they say that I say ejan na bia na say na ye benya nanka ye dreams no nka ye ntimi achieve no you go to no nanka ye ma no ye ma ye
okay
what just say so benya nanka oba ye doctor oba ye engineer oba ye that's no more patch because say na mebo ho no ma ye mpeso mbeye because say ye peso wu ye say Bible tinkola no omo ye stubborn
omo titi heading
hey
we are tough
but so won kwada ntimi nyu nsem Akili Bobo
Debbie omo ntimi nyu nsem da but then again you have to let them sometimes I saw Oma so explore they know the do's and the don'ts they know what I don't like what we don't like
okay
almost so no and omo nim silent no omo high bia me can say say baby omo do humo bro they can do whatever they want to do humo bro but omo the toil that we all went through the suffering and stuff like that na omo ya mobo
omo nim sa story no
they know yeah so we give them a whole like I always say your today time for them will determine their tomorrow time for you
okay
what you say and you know omo growing up no we make sure say even though we didn't have a whole lot no we provided them with everything that we had at that time on them say no e do mo call sports e do mo call omo me baba ku say enye ne nam na kubu yan ko Olympics nko be ko bi say me nam ye sports man ye table tennis nko awo
okay
me soccer me boss soccer pa
okay
a whole lot and so omo de
akofa soccer yasma bana my ready message I think it says it's your now in a senior. Okay, Imano Kofijia. I was greet my senior for me. Akili Bobo was my senior at Prempeh College. He was and still nicknamed Senior Akili Bobo. He and Senior Agadas were the best table tennis players in the college. Yeah. What was that for Nenka?
Agadas, my brother. My brother made me do it.
Oh, okay.
Three brothers.
Yeah.
My brother Penny on a friend Agadas.
Yeah.
And that second one buy no. Almost many two Agadas. The me call hono. Who me be my Agadas am say Debbie. Me di Medina. What that? Okay. Yeah, you me say near about my Prempeh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Mama D.
Yes.
I feel nyame ni nyina awie.
Esi.
Going forward.
I feel I should going for it this year. We are praying for.
And obi cross me misa say away. Message the name me be o say. I say good morning, I'm watching you and Akili Bobo family. Do they employ Ghanaians to US? If so, are they one for now?
If I told them.
So actually, what my aware say, a better says Kakra wants some now bet me investing in Ghana.
Yes.
Investing.
Yes.
Now you know be nyaba be dimo honum dada. I think say mostly share US for or more crime reports at the bar. I say not Ghana for a far away from capturing in that report.
Yeah.
May Bania Babedin come how to stay safe in America once you find yourself in a system. You know where the one year will say, Siska wants someone dear. Ubai vice and Fantarano.
Yes.
But I want them just my medicine to be now for by arguing say. So Bushian so dear na yajin to one a day myself a cordia and fanya with it. Name me crack at was so near do say I do here. But I was so on here 2 hours from America. See you here. Welcome to America from the immigration officer.
Oh, yeah, the dream.
you. We see 2 hours to a me per se immigration officer catch him say
welcome to America. Oh, Jabe be ya man dodo.
Hello adia so everyone see be komula. Yabani ani Akili Bobo family about so how to stay safe and indeed so person so kwa dear na also to me bedwem enie ya catch us say ya shafi biasia or say share hun cry or say nyo mo ma go through the mill on say o hwen say na to fe say no kro me say enye ma nyina na be ne mama di aye no because to be honest in fact be makura no unya gidie kura de atena oba ho kura thinking say de bibe ya me de atena no e difficult nipa enye se bia no obi na ahwere no ebi ni hokura eno de free baby o de free no de buy o ba na kakra wonsem and still what believe in nipa no so mgiri sa no pay onu oba bi to one mu a mo sha se esua bibi ena Akili Bobo nso ye no wa ma yese me no mienu onyim ne wie no wanum ne fu ankochenyi number no se mo amoji mobile money a credit no wanyim ne wie no ankochenyi ne sim card because hunu se onu obi ba eno hwe no enne na aso aba omunyina edi so ede se na medeka ka say this is bedwem enye de bia na be to de bia na yesua de esi ya na ye encourage ye ho ye de tue ho fo ye de share ho kran se ba bia da no obi afa ba bia da se da Akili Bobo ka no oni nipa bese ne wo na te area no ye nto offense wo mfa nto obi atimi ko ba bi okobia e ho na nso wo sisi ye e mean say bibi papa bi edo anim ko so hwe bedwem ye ba esie ne ba beto aso